Alrighty, welcome back to another unboxing with Zombie. Unfortunately, my mic wasn't working during this time period, and I had no clue, and it already got unboxed. So today, I'm going to be doing a voiceover. We're doing the Dyson V15 Detect today. We have a few things here. It has 60-minute run time. That's on the auto mode. It also has an LED screen that will output a display of how many particulates and what micron of particulates you're collecting. And then it has the laser technology, the fluffy optic or whatever for dust particles. And then it also comes with a standard motorized head. And then on the back side here, it's just going to tell you more about the HEPA filtration there. And then this is going to be a closed canister, so no dust will get out. Alrighty, let's open her up. Looks like we're just going to have 3 tabs of tape here. And then it is looking like it's going to be a flip top. And we'll go ahead and throw our regulatory papers aside. Let's go ahead and start with the accessories. What we've got here is a reachable extension. It helps you get underneath of things a little bit better, easier without having to crawl under the space there. It does have like 3 positions to handle your workload, but I don't actually end up using it. I just usually store it. So the next thing we have is going to be a crevice tool, and it's clear. It actually looks really cool. Also in this same box, they include the combination tool. It's so you can pick things up while being soft a little bit and hard to reach places with the wand. I usually use it for like my fans and things. Next in the box we have the actual mount that the vacuum will go onto. It charges and also holds 2 crevice tools. So this will be mounted onto the wall, and then this slides into there like that. And then the charger is fitted into the bottom there, and then your vacuum just sits right on top. This here is going to be a packing list on how to set up the mounting device, just in case you're unclear. And then here we have the actual wand, and this one's actually pretty cool. I've had red, purple, blue, but this one's a little bit different. This one's going to be black, and it feels less, I guess, it's more metallic. It's less flat. So it does reflect the light when you're trying to look down and vacuum quite a bit sometimes. Next, we will pull out what they call the hair screw tool. It's actually a really cool device. I use it mostly for pet beds, getting into corners, the couch, pillows. It's easy for handheld. But what's really nice about it is that this piece actually comes out, the corkscrew there. What happens is this thing is elongated in a cone form, so all the hair travels down the cone and then gets sucked up through the vacuum on the end. It just falls off. And then this one here, we have the mini soft brush. This one I use mostly in order to get blinds clean. It does have a nice suction to it still, and the bristles are a little softer, so even if you have wood blinds, it's really easy to clean everything off. This is going to be the actual charger for the vacuum. Now we're going to get into our first motor head for our device. This is a really easy device to clean. This thing just twists and comes right out, and then you can just pull the hair off if it gets tangled. It also has a plus and a minus on the front of it in case you want extra suction or less suction depending on what you're vacuuming up there. All it does is moves these tabs up and down to create more suction on the vacuum. And then the second motor head that this comes with is going to be our fluffy optic motor head. They call it a fluffy head because it has really soft bristles here. And then it also has like a carbon fiber in the middle to help catch debris. But it has a laser here on the side. It's green. It helps detect dirt, dust, and debris. Pretty easy to clean as well. It's just an optic sensor. But the real reason I got this is because I have a pool table, and this helps clean the pool table very well. It's nice and soft. It also keeps the pool felt in condition without destroying it because it is wool. So something with this motor head, like this stronger one, it will destroy the wool on the table. It also has like a nice swivel. It has like a rubberized swivel instead of like a spring inside. It may wear a little more, but it is very satisfying when you're actually using the device. Alrighty, so let's check out the vacuum itself. Pretty standard. It is a lot like my V10. The cool thing about it is that it still has the dispensable canister, holds 0.2 gallons worth of debris, and then it has a nice LED display that I was talking about on the back that displays all your dust particulates, but you can also change your modes like eco, auto, or boost. And then it has a HEPA filter so that it keeps everything clean. With the closed canister, there's no debris getting outside of it. One of the things I like the most about this Dyson is the removable battery. This thing is a lifesaver. With the V10, it did not have a removable battery, so you had to wait for it to charge several times. So having the rechargeable battery is a huge plus for me. I can just buy more batteries. That's actually why I returned a lot of other Dysons, is because the batteries were not rechargeable. Alrighty, and that's going to be it here, folks. That's the V15 Detect by Dyson. Very lightweight and portable, and has a nice fluffy head detect. Alright, please like and subscribe, folks, if you want to see more content like this. Peace!